The BUFFALO LinkStation 210 6TB network storage unit offers a generous amount of space for home media, documents, and backups in a compact single-bay design, with the hard drive already installed there. Setup is straightforward since you simply connect it to your router to create shared storage that works smoothly with both Windows computers and many macOS systems on your home network. As a personal cloud, it lets you store, organize, and remotely access your photos, videos, and music without ongoing subscription fees or dependence on third-party cloud services. Security is a strong point with a closed operating environment, encryption for file transfers, and user-level permissions that help keep family data and shared folders properly isolated. Included backup tools make it easy to schedule automatic backups from multiple computers, turning the unit into a central safety net instead of juggling several external drives. Build quality is solid with Japanese manufacturing, and the 2-year warranty that covers the internal hard drive, plus round-the-clock United States-based support adds confidence for long-term use.